In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Sheets chart as PNG image. By the end, you'll have a clean, shareable image of your chart that's perfect for presentations, documents, emails, or posting online. No screenshots or extra tools required. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, look for the Google Apps icon, the small grid made of 9 dots. Click that to open the app launcher. From the list of apps, choose Google Sheets. This takes you straight into your spreadsheets so you can get to the chart you want to export. Once you're in Google Sheets, open the document that contains your chart. You can pick it from your recent files or search for it by name if needed. Give the sheet a moment to load fully, especially if it has a lot of data. If your chart is on a different tab within the spreadsheet, switch to that tab so the chart is visible on the screen. Next, click directly on your chart to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles appear around the chart area. Selecting the chart is important because the download options are tied to the chart itself, not the overall spreadsheet. With the chart selected, look for the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the chart. This is the chart's More menu. Click those 3 dots to open a set of chart-specific options. These controls let you manage, copy, and export the chart without affecting the rest of your sheet. In the menu that opens, move your mouse over the Download Chart option. Don't click yet. Just hover. You'll see a small submenu appear with several file format choices. From that list, choose PNG image, .png. Click it once, and Google Sheets will start preparing your chart as a PNG file. Depending on your browser settings, the file will either download automatically to your default Downloads folder or prompt you to choose a save location. After the download completes, open the PNG to confirm it looks the way you expect. If you want the chart to appear larger or sharper, consider increasing the on-sheet size of the chart before repeating the download. The exported PNG generally reflects the chart's on-screen dimensions. You can also rename the file right away so it's easy to find later, and reuse this process anytime you update your data and need a fresh image. That's it. Your Google Sheets chart is now saved as a crisp PNG image ready to share anywhere you need it.